Hey guys, welcome back to another mukbang. Tonight we're having, I call this the clean out French casserole. It has onions, rice, chicken fritters, sweet peas, and zucchini with an egg roll and a side salad. So, cheers! Hopefully this tastes good. I think it will. It's good. Zucchini. It's just hot. It just came out. Egg roll. And side salad. With my Coke. Actually, it's watered down Coke from Costco, but it still tastes good. It's actually pretty good. And it has what's it called? Cream of chicken in it. I guess to bind it together. So that's just what I had in the fridge. And it seemed to work out pretty good. How was your day? Mine was okay. It was a little slow. I didn't like my giveaway. I had these sweet potato sticks, and I don't like sweet potato, but these looked really bad. They were kind of gummy-like. No, but people bought them, so good for them. I'm just gonna go upstairs and put my feet up. I'm off tomorrow, but if I get a chance to work, I will. I hate having to wait the morning of to find out if you're going to work or not. It's okay. I hate to leave Costco, but I think it's time to find something else. I think they hired way too many people. Not enough demos to go around. And the people that have the days tend to call out. Sorry, I'm a bit cranky, as you can tell. And I'm excited for Sweet Treat Fridays. We're doing something a little healthy. I don't know if it's totally healthy, but I think you'll like it. You know it's good when you start to make a mess of yourself. not really hungry. I mean, I'm a little hungry. My break was at 2 something, which is fine, but I had a piece of pepperoni pizza. So the dangers of the food court get me in trouble.
A mixed bag for Trump-endorsed candidates in Georgia. Congressman Mike Collins defeated former football coach Derek Dooley in the Republican nomination for the U.S. Senate. President Trump endorsed Collins over the weekend. He will face incumbent Democratic Senator John Ossoff in November.
So tomorrow, I have to get up at 7, like I'm usually do when I go to work. Get up at 7, get dressed, and hope that they call me and say, hey, you want to work? And I'm saying, yeah, of course. But I have started looking for a new job. I just don't know what I want to do. I think, like I said before, maybe something in cooking, maybe not like a restaurant, but the only thing is I found out that like the district, I don't know what they're thinking, but they're gonna not charge you, but they're gonna pay you $10.50 an hour for 8 hours a day. I don't think so. But, something will come up. Maybe I'll get a part-time job, 2 part-time jobs, or a full-time job. I don't know. I don't even think I have to give them a 2 weeks notice at this job, which is wild. And if you go to the hospital or doctor's office, they don't even accept doctor's notes. So, who knows? I mean, it's still a fun job. Just not a lot of hours, I knew where to start doing stuff. Going somewhere, for the vlog. I don't know where. I don't know what, but I want to go somewhere. There are no fees and no obligations. Get real value for your life insurance when you need it.
Why suffer through painful heartburn longer than necessary? For effective relief, nothing works faster than Alka-Seltzer. The effervescent formula begins neutralizing acid in seconds to effectively relieve heartburn fast. Try Alka-Seltzer.
This was actually pretty good. I don't make this again. I made a lot, so leftovers.
And last but see what all the hype is about with the one and only Lumify.
Before it's harder to stay in shape. That's because as testosterone levels decline with age, we lose energy. It's harder to stay strong and focused. Introducing Eugenics Code T2, combining a 100% drug-free next-gen tea booster that significantly increases testosterone levels with a powerful nitric oxide booster that starts increasing blood flow and oxygen in muscles in just 3 hours. T2 will help you feel stronger, leaner, with more energy and drive. Get your complimentary bottle now. Text RISE 42424. 250th birthday pack of protein. Democrats full of complaints. We will cover the left. Will they ever recover themselves from PDS? Right. Attention, Medicare customers with diabetes. Now you can stop the painful working of your fingers with a continuous glucose monitor. And they're covered by Medicare if you qualify. Call right now for free information.
Really, Popeye Ellsworth? No fungus. No, that won't cure it. You need Funky Cure. Funky Cure doesn't just mask no fungus, it cures it. Wow. You have to send me a photo. Go away, actually help cure it. If it hurts, we help.
The biggest loss in Harry's history this year. Harry's lost. Plus, Less like a cool, the best razor I've ever tried. This is effortless, wonderful shaving experience for a lot less than your life. Very fun. I can't wait for you.
Also, Casserole for free information on the newest elite programs under the American Rescue Plan and Fresh Start program. You could see thousands. Call us for your consultation free. Call now.
I'm full. That was really good. Well, thanks for spending a few minutes with me. I like these. I don't know if anybody watches them or if I just don't do a good job at them, but I like to do them, so I'm going to keep doing them. Anyway, thanks for spending a few minutes with me, and I will see you in the next video.